Hi everyone. Our presentation is on the case study of Telco Corporation. And these are the names of my team members: Gursheen Uppal, Shweta Bhalla, and Simranjot Kaur Ralwal. Our presentation will start by covering the introduction of the case study, and then it will cover the 5 questions which has been asked in the case study. The first one is the segmenting of the customers, and the second question is the service offerings to each customer segment, and the third question is that whether should certain customers be asked to take their business elsewhere, and then the revised service packages to each customer segment, and then the matrix which we followed. Telco Corporation is a $25 billion global manufacturer of industrial products, with its headquarters located in Bloomington, Indiana. It has 6 major divisions: electrical generators, turbines, industrial air conditioners, machine tools, fork trucks and skid loaders, and air compressors. Each division has its own sales force, manufacturing facilities, and logistics network. At a recent operating council meeting, Jean Berlin, the CFO of the Telco Corporation, has mentioned that their pre-tax profit were falling even though revenues were growing. They were also worried about meeting the dividend objectives because their operating profits were also decreasing from last quarter. The new president of Telco Corporation, Nick Martin, who spent last 15 years as CEO of a global agricultural products manufacturer, has mentioned that the problem was that we are treating all customers alike and we are not taking into consideration those customers who buy from more than one division. We have some customers who are more profitable than others. So we have been asked to develop a strategy to segment our customers and offer each segment the suite of services they are willing to pay for.
There are four ways by which these customers can be segmented. Step one is segmenting customers by profitability. In this, we have taken the example of ABC, that is activity based accounting, which will help us let us know how picking and shipping inner packs is more expensive than picking the shipping pallets. Expanding on ABC, it will help us know that how resources can be distributed among the markets, business, customers, and products. Step two is identifying the service to offer each customer segment. That is, how one can improve on their customer service and where the customer will be lead in the core business practice. Step three is execute and develop best process. In this, we will let you know in the next further questions. Step 4 is performance matrix, that is, how the product can be segmented and how the sales force can be altered, which will be elaborated in the next few slides. Thank you.
So our second question is about the service offering to each customer segment. So here are some list of services that Telco Corporation provide to their customer. These are product quality, order fill rate, lead time, delivery time, customer service support. So what we analyze from the case study is that Telco Corporation provide all-time high services to the all type of customer. So what we suggest in order to increase their operating profit is that they should differentiate their customer according to different segments like protect, cost, engineer, build, danger zone. By doing this, we can clearly analyze that who are the most profitable, who are the least one, who are the neutral. The customer who lies in the protect segment, they are the most profitable customer of the company. They should for them they should provide the superior quality product. The order fill rate should be a high like 98%, 99%. The lead time should be like 2 days or 3 days, and delivery time should be a minimum as much as they can. The strategies they can use in to minimize the delivery time is that they can consolidate the shipments. They can use the tire picking if there is a one customer who order from the different departments. They can choose the right number of partners, and they can also minimize the delivery time by using the efficient transportation mode. They can use this strategy to the old type of customer, whether they protect, cost, engineer, build, or diesel zone. The other one is the customer support services. They should have a dedicated team for the protect segment who will provide the 24 by 7 services as compared to the danger zone. They can solve their problem by through the websites or by telephonic conversation.
Customers play a very essential role in any kind of business. They are considered as the most valuable assets that a firm can possess. If customers are told to take their businesses elsewhere, this will have a huge adverse effect on their business. It will ruin the relationship between the supplier and the customer, and ultimately, the goodwill or the reputation of the firm will suffer. In the long run, the future of the company, that is, its growth and success, will also suffer, which will impact its prosperity. But if the customers are now very profitable and customers they do not want to accept the new service offerings and there is no future growth potential, then there can be an end to the relationship.
When it comes to introducing the revised service packages to each customer segment, companies should make a standardized format of the service packages such as brochures, etc. These are the revised service packages. There will be no compromise in the product quality. One reason for the fall in the pre-tax profit is excess inventory. Order fill rate simply refers to the percentage of customer orders that are immediately fulfilled by available stock. One reason for the fall in the pre-tax profit is having a lot of inventory, which also increases our operating cost. To rectify this, it is beneficial to keep stock for customers with less profit only when they order. We will keep stock based on their current order. It will result in increased order processing time and delivery time, which customers have to comply with. There will be no change in the return policy for both the segments, and we will keep the 7 days return policy for any damages occurred during the transportation or because of the manufacturing faults. To retain good customers, we suggest to put 25 days credit limit and charge them with 14% annual interest rate for late payments. Whereas for the other customers, 21 days should be the credit limit, and we should charge them 18% annual interest rate. There is a relationship between the buyer and the salesperson. So the salesperson should deliver the message, and they should set a date and time when all of these packages should be delivered, and they should be delivered at the same day.
As per our understanding, companies should not recognize its original structure as it is time consuming and too much cost involved. It is seen that customer can come and go. It wouldn't be beneficial for the company to revolve its product. Instead, a dedicated customer representative should be appointed for large and high-end revenue customers. The CSR can contact each division for customer concern and resolve their issues. To conclude, customers' issue like product quality and billing can be comprehended, and also being responsible for resolving the complaints and communicating back to the customer in timely manner is what makes the company successful. Thank you.